Hey guys, this is Leonardo and I'm back again with another episode of Tuesday's Tips and Treats, where with every episode I've got a new tip and a new treat to share with you. All right, here's your new Tuesday tip. Today we are talking about antagonists and targeted toxins. And so you might be wondering how a targeted toxin that's directed against a particular receptor is able to eliminate an entire cellular process, whereas an antagonist against that same receptor isn't able to do the same thing. So it's an interesting question, and the answer actually helps explain our Saprin technology quite well. So let's get into it. So with an antagonist, it's essentially a molecule that binds to a cell receptor and blocks that receptor from being able to bind its target molecule, which then leads to cell activation. All right. And so for an example, we'll look at the neuropeptide substance P. So a substance P antagonist will bind to the neurokinin 1 receptor and block that receptor from being able to bind substance P and lead to cell activation, all right? However, in reality, that cell has other receptors. And so even though you've blocked that one receptor, if the other receptors are able to bind their target molecules, that will still lead to cell activation. All right, and this is where Saprin conjugates come in, because with a Saprin conjugate, you can essentially target any of those cell receptors, right? But even just targeting one of those, you can eliminate the entire cell. And by doing that, you're removing it from the entire equation and eliminating that cellular process, all right? So important to note, our conjugates are able to remove one particular cell type without damaging any bystander cells, all right? And so once the debris is clear, there shouldn't be anything remaining to interfere with normal cellular activity or cell interactions. Okay, so the treat for this episode is if you order any size of our peptide conjugates, we'll go ahead and knock off 20%. Just use the coupon code referenced below. All right, you know what to do. Set yourself a reminder. Come check us out every Tuesday for your new Tuesday tip and treat. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll catch you at the next one.